This one.
Oh.
Oh.
Hey.
Ano date niyo?
13 or 14.
Ah, ito yung swimming pool. Okay.
There's a pool.
Oh, may wall lining sila, oh. And there's a gym. Pwede ata tayo dyan sa facilities, eh.
Oh, there's a rock climbing.
Ang dami may kuha ko niyan. Alam mo, pambata lang yun.
We need to come back here.
Oo, pwede. Mamaya, tanong natin. Pwede naman natin gamitin ba yung
Ayun
facilities
pala
nila?
eh. Mag-ano na ako yung treadmill lang ako. Okay na ako doon. Siguro ako na kami. Ako na kami pa.
Oo. Nakakot din. Hindi. Pero may palabas ng beach dito.
So the beach is like,
May sumasayaw sa likod. Hindi naman. Skinita pa rin to, skinita. Oo. Saan tayo papuntang beach?
Yes sir, opo.
Ah, ito po.
Ito po, andito sir yung mga booking station po ng mga sport. Bagay na bagay sa inyo sir, hindi mo mag-jet ski ah. Ay, sir, bigyan kita ng video sir. Joke lang yun
Ayun,
sir.
okay lang na.
Pero pagka tinutuo nyo, okay lang din.
Ayan.
Ito po yung contact number ko sir. Ito sir yung bago.
how much is the helmet diving?
Okay, I give you package price. Ilan kayo sir?
How much was 3?
Pwede.
Does it come with the pictures and stuff?
Yes, when you do scuba diving and helmet diving, automatically we have underwater photos and video. And we can give you a copy of CD like this.
Ooh, like, do we get it right away?
After the dive, after ng time of CD.
Oh, okay.
Explain to you what is included in the package. You just arrived today, sir? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Okay. We can give you package. We have a package for ATG and baggage. You want to do this one? We have lots of freebies. You can go here for free. It's a free cat museum. Then this one also, this cycle ride and bird farm. You can see lots of birds inside. This one also, you can take a look at the lizards.